Hey, morning. What's up? Good morning, baby. I slept okay. Slept pretty good. How'd you sleep? Been awake for a bit. Slept good though. Good. Any dreams? I can't remember. I think God, what timeline is it? I'm like barely awakening in the consciousness right now. Where am I? What do I mean? Where am I? The fuck am I talking about? I'm in bed with you. I'm like, I'm in your arms, in our bed that we share together in our apartment. Yeah, the dreams. I remember the smell of bread. Oh, I was running a bakery. Yeah, I ran a bakery. Oh, it was like the scent of the pastries and the breads was godlike. It was not of this realm, babe. Oh my gosh, the yeast with the sugar and the custards. Oh man. Oh yeah. Oh god, I'm so stressed. Sorry. You walked in. It was like 11 in the morning, like almost afternoon. It's like one of my favorite times of day, early in the day. And I had just pulled out a fresh tray. Fresh, did I say that right? Fresh. Don't look at me weird. I've been awake for 5 minutes, or if that. I don't know what's going on. I pulled out a fresh tray of custard buns. Oh, the smell was amazing. And then you walked in the store. And I was like, oh my god, hey. And you were like, oh my god, hey. And I was like, I'm gonna take a break because I'm the manager and no one's fucking in here. So I grabbed 4 of the fresh custard buns because they're my favorite. And I know they're your favorite and one of your favorite pastries that I actually make in real life. And we sat down and we had a little date. And it was sunny at first, but then it started to get cloudy and started to rain. A nice medium heavy downpour, I would say. You know, what we usually like to see in rainy weather. And we're just enjoying the scenery, just vibing with the environment, eating our bread, talking. And then I went to the back of the counter, made us some fresh tea. I made you a matcha. I made myself a Thai tea. Delicious. I make them perfect in my dreams and for real. Oh, it was so nice. That's all I really remember. Oh, it was beautiful. Very sweet. Did you have any dreams? You were a turtle. That's dope. Hey! I have dreams of me being reptilians and amphibians and salamanders. Remember my salamander dream? Like, I dream shit like that all the time. Like, that's cool. What were you doing as a turtle? Neither teenage nor mutant, just munching on nature. Just eating a leaf. That sounds cute. At one point, you weren't a turtle? And how did this appear in the void of your consciousness or subconscious? You shifted because shit went down and the dream took a turn. You're being very specific but very vague at the same time. What happened? It was just the vibe. You don't know what you shifted into and what caused this plot change? Turn back into your human self, okay? Your brain stopped focusing on turtles, so you just went to being flesh meat again? Okay. You sensed darkness on the horizon. That was the plot change. Was it like the government? Or what was going on? All you know is you had to start running. You just had to take action and flee. I see. An oh shit moment. Definitely. Well, that sounds fun. You slipped and then you woke up. Maybe your subconscious knew you were about to, like, eat it on the concrete or, like, bust your brains, and it was like, none of that, so you just woke up. What kind of turtle would you be if your dream was real? Ooh. You'd be a... Oh, I'm forgetting all the different species of turtles. The turtle nerds are upset with me right now. Wait, you'd be... You know, at first I would think, like, something big and strong, like a giant tortoise, but then the other thing that came to mind was, like a pond turtle, like something you'd find in, like, I don't know, what kind of terrain would this be? I don't know, like a little pond you find in nature, just like a little zen pond. And you'd be like a little turtle, like pet size. Nothing super tiny, but something you could own in your own home. I'd want to keep you if you were a turtle. And then you would keep me if I was a turtle. Yes, you would. I don't want to get up either. Do you want to order in breakfast? It is a good idea, and we don't have to get up, except for when we have to go down to get the food. We could order from Season. They do delivery, they do catering. We could get a couple orders of chicken and waffles. We could get some sausage, some bacon, another one of their pancakes or biscuits. Could get a couple sweets, couple savory things, and we can get their matcha lattes. Yes, I will be in the food coma with you. Let's get like 2 of everything. Well, everything that we like to get most of the time, like what some of our go-tos, like the chicken and waffles. We have to get 2 orders of sausage. I want my own sausage patty, and I know you do too. Yeah, you know, you bet I do, my fat ass. Don't act like you ain't a big bag just like me. We'll get maybe like a chicken and biscuit, their chicken and waffles, some bacon, some sausage, a pancake. We could just split a pancake. And we can get 2 matcha lattes. And some fruit, some berries, melon pelon. I would like to get their biscuits because they have, some of them have sunny side up eggs in them and more protein. Yeah, the nutrients, the newts. We need the newts. Must consume, and I don't want to go anywhere. We barely have any food left down in the kitchen, and I don't want to cook anything. And that sounds good. We deserve to treat ourselves, do we not? We make money, we work hard. We could treat ourselves. Twice a week. Yeah, we can afford it now. No, sleepy baby. Oh, I'm not mad at you for being cozy. You're so adorable when you wake up in the morning. Yes, I am. You're sweet fuck. Yes, I am. You're my little sweet little vanilla bean. My little raisinette. My grape. My wrinkly grape. Yeah, wrinkly. What? The raisins are wrinkly. You're not wrinkly. I know I kinda called you wrinkly, but doesn't mean you are wrinkly. Wrinkly's not... You're fine. You're smooth. You're smooth. You're like the green grapes we have in the fridge. Ooh, I should put those in the freezer while we wait for our food to get here so we can have some semi-frozen grapes. The superior way to eat them. Argue with the wall. But I know you won't argue with me because you look great. Yes, I'll order the food. I am tired, but I will... Let me type it in. I already have it pulled up. This was premeditated as I was proposing this idea to you. Okay. I started adding that stuff in the cart, so I just placed it. It'll be here in a little while. Oh, back rubs. You want back rubs? Okay. Okay. I'll give you little morning massages. Ease out the tension in your muscles. Oh, my darling. Oh, I need a stretch. Is that a ding dong? Ooh. There's a ding dong on the on our bedside counter. Look. The little hostess cake, yeah. Oh, yeah, I might eat it. I kind of want it. I kind of want to eat it. I know it's the first thing that will be going into my body today, and I never really do this, but I low-key don't care. I don't know, live my life. Yeah, woo! We're gonna get some good nutritious food in like 15 minutes anyway. It's fine, it's fine. Ow. What? You want a piece? Yeah. Eat it. Take it. What, you're just watching me eat? Is that sexy to you? Actually, yeah, I know the answer to that. No. I'll just take a couple bites of it and I'll eat the rest of it after we eat actual breakfast. Fine. You wanna fall asleep for a few minutes while you wait? Oh, I relaxed you. You wanna go back to sleep before the food gets here? Alright, just for a little bit. Hey, you sleep as much as you want to. We got about 15-20 minutes until the food arrives, so take another little power nap. You rest, baby. Little squishy cheeks. I love you. And I love you so much. You're so sweet. My precious darling. You take your little nap and you rest well. I'll wake you up when the food's here. I love you.